GBG, we don't beef nobody like GB. Woke up on the wrong side of bed, so he's gonna get slapped if I don't have my piece today. I love my young girl, won't lead him straight. I'm stuck to little bro like PVA. Paid already, I don't need no hit song. We don't need ID, low bro 17 in the club, he ain't scrolling TikTok. Let's just saw him on pick one. Which one? Really, you won't go pick one. If I shoot my shot, I'll hit one. Matter of time till I get them all TikTok. Alright. We could go bang for bang. Fuck that, we can go M for M. Quarter mil for the Maybach chop. Double R with the factory rims. I got the 90 years, the version of the bride was a really threat. It's got to the point that I don't even care. I got juice in the safe that I don't even wear. I took the broad door for some shoes, clothes, to see what I do for a necklace. Right, sure, look like a spider, it's crawling $1, I'm just an essential.
What's up, guys? Good to see you again. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from?
Knocking the bag and making the house and mad. I didn't fell in love with you. You can't set fish with a cute one. That can't look good, it's a new one. You type like the type of cutest. Got a mask and you ain't no shooter. Top 10 when she don't act bougie. Name your friends, go to a room. Big fans become my mood. Maybe that band, ain't no who. We could go bang for bang. Fuck that, we can go M for M. I got a body like Cameron.
Good to see you again, Dopey. Good to see you. Mark your attendance. Tell me how has your day been. Do you have any traders that have locked in some moves today? Share with me how your trading session went. Dream, good to see you. Nolan, good to have you. Good to see you all. Chris. Okay. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. And I'm trading binary option. So let us get these moves. Traders, tell me how has your day been? Guys, I really had a crazy day today. But I love crazy days, to be honest. I love getting that fulfillment of achieving something. That's why I'm always locked in. Preston, good to see ya. Dream, you've been profitable on a reel or on demo? Tell me. But anyways, actually, I feel it doesn't matter, because if you can produce results, that means you are a step ahead, and that's the beauty about locking in. So that's really nice. My strategy is simple. It is price action. So let us get smooth. Structure is really confirming it's a bullish market. Yeah, the market is making series of higher highs and higher lows. So let's see how it goes. Guys, I'm okay. Tell me, how have you been? How have you spent your day today? Have you locked in some entries? Because when it comes to trading, and on this trading assembly, consistency is a must. You don't lock in on this trading assembly and you don't be consistent. You're supposed to be consistent, because that way it's the best way. It's going to help you develop your trading skill. The more you lock in, the shorter your journey is gonna get. Maybach music. So let's see. It's like sellers want to kick in. If sellers take out this most recent low, then I'll be sure the market had shifted to a bearish market. But for now, my bias is still bullish. Penrite, you locked in with me. Of course. And feel free to ask any trading question, traders. Okay, look at this crazy momentum candle from sellers. Let's see if they are really going to give us a shift in structure or not. The band, good to see ya. Goodwin, good to have you. Guys, my day has been great, has been good. Actually, it has been a very beautiful day. When I think about it, the day has been moving smoothly for me.
Started with a cue that a week and night. Yeah, the master my blaze. Why you so focused on your Asian son? I know that the Jap was better, they get to the clubs on days and stuff.
Alexander, good to see ya. This is a trading assembly. We are here to learn. Feel free to ask any trading question. Tell me, traders, how has your trading session been? Do you have any traders that have blocked in some moves? Ken Trader, good to see ya. The band, good to see ya. King, good to see ya. Nick B, good to see ya. Juki, Ali, Alexander had a great session. That's nice. That's nice. Okay. Oh my god. Honestly, how did you end up blowing the account, Ken? On this trading assembly, I don't want traders that don't know how to manage risk, guys. Trading is one thing, but the best way and one thing that is going to keep you last longer in the market is by handling your risk very well. Because if you keep on blowing accounts, you may run out of capital, and if you don't have capital, you may not really trade. That's the whole concept about risk management. Make you cry like a baby, yo. I'm doing well, Nick. How are you doing? Dream, share with us that edge. And I love, oh my god, my buys are taken out. Okay, let's see if we can get more moves. And I love you can accept, when it comes to trading, you have to understand there isn't any strategy that is going to give you 100% wins. But if you can get a certain percentage where your wins are greater than your losses, that's a very good strategy, and you should just trade consistently with it and keep on just refining it, but no point of changing it. Abdul had a fantastic trading session. All right, all right. That's what I really want to hear. That's what I'd be wanting to hear. Now I can tell that you guys are fully locked in. Joe, good to see ya. I'm the one, yeah. I want to learn more. Of course, learning doesn't end. But if you already have a strategy, everything you're supposed to learn, it's just to improve your strategy. I don't think if when it comes to learning, you have to completely change your strategy. You just keep on learning things that you can add in your strategy that you already have. No one. Because currently, right now, if I'm learning something, I want to learn something that still is not going to make me change my strategy completely, but rather it's going to help me improve my strategy more. Yeah, that's what I consider. Because if you keep on learning and learning, sometimes you may just get overwhelmed with a lot of strategies. So you just have one and you just keep on refining it. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one, yeah. We are moving smoothly. I'm the one. Let us first add Sozi and cruise with sellers on a Gucci belt. Oh my goodness. Buyers have already played me here, but I was still anticipating more sellers in the market, so let's see how it goes. I keep discovering something new every day on the charts using the strategy. Am I overthinking? No. Guys, we all know our strategies are based on not the most recent price action, because no one can easily tell what is going to happen next in the market. So because of that, every moment in the market is unique. So you can always see something new. And that is the beauty about locking in. I always tell you, if you're fully locked in on the charts and you're consistent with everything, your trading session, your trading time frames, you're going to realize there are some things you can see on the chart and it's only you who can explain them. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one. Whoa. I'm the only one. I'm the one. I'm the only one. Guys, I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine. You're moving smoothly and I like it. Whenever you're in the market, there is one thing that you have to keep in mind. You keep on analyzing the charts every single time you're looking at the charts. Yeah, market analysis does not only happen at the beginning of the session. You continuously analyze the charts. Buyers are onto something. Are you seeing this chart, guys? Buyers are onto something. They are really taking this market somewhere. So let us watch and see if we can just cruise with them. Giving us clear market structure, series of higher highs and higher lows. This is a typical bullish market. Ken, good to see ya. Cat lover, good to have you all. Good to have you all.
Niggas so thirsty to put me in beat. I said that my words and start looking too deep. I look at the tweets and start sucking my teeth. I'm letting it rock cause I let them mystique. I still wanna give me a song YB. Can't trust everything that you saw on IG. Just know if I dish you, I make sure you know that I hit you like I'm on your call ID.
Whenever you are in a bullish market, you have to consider two things. You can take both buy and sell trades. You take buy trades. Like now you can see the market is into a continuation. Very good sign to take buy trades in this time. And we all know after a break of structure to the top side, or when the market takes out the most recent high in a bullish market, you anticipate a pullback in the opposite direction. The market moves in a corrective way. So anytime a most recent high is taken out in a bullish market, you anticipate a pullback in the opposite direction. You can take that pullback entry, or you can wait for a pullback to get done and you just only take continuation trades. I advise all beginners the easiest trades you can really focus on and start with a continuation trades because they are easier to get compared to pullback trade. Anytime the market can take out a pullback trade because you will never know when how strong the trend is. So continuation trades are really safer for beginners. A
I'm down to kick out on you hoes and make a crime scene. I click the trigger on a stick like a high beam. And I don't been real good when I was 19. She called my number, leave her hanging, she got dry clean. She got an Android, her messages is lime green. I searched one name and end up seeing 20 teams. Nadine, Christine, Justine, Kathleen, Charlene, Pauline, Claudine. Man, I pack them in this phone like some sardines. And they send me naked.
Feel free to ask any trading question, trader. This is a trading assembly. We are here to learn.
Jimmy Jam, I use a gummy as a doorstop. Girl, give me some air because I need it. And if I fuck with you, then after I might eat it. Niggas talking about when this gonna be repeated. What the fuck, bro? I want away from Michael, nigga. Beat it, nigga. Beat it, 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 no, they pay me back on other favors. I don't need it.
Hey. Langford, good to see you. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. In a few, we are gonna get into the donations. I know you guys are always locked in for the donations. The stream keeps on. Guys, I really don't know what's happening. But let us continue going. Maybe it's gonna get better. Yeah, let us stay locked in. Maybe it's gonna get better. Because I also don't know what's causing that.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once a peso, what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us.
Structure is bearish, and we all know when you see bearish structure, the easiest trades you can take are continuation trades. Those are sales as a price action trader. So let us first secure some sales here.
Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell.
Oh my goodness, buyers have really played on my entry. Damn. Buyers have played me here. How long have you been trading this strategy? Actually, price action is the first strategy that I really learned as a trader. But of course, when I was starting out to learn price action, I was just learning the normal things that everyone learns. I feel like understanding the market conditions, that is understanding the different types of the markets, bullish market, bearish market, consolidating market, understanding candlestick patterns. Then in the long run, I changed the strategy because we all know as traders, there's a phase you reach in and you keep on changing, switching strategies, everything thinking maybe if you keep on changing you get profitable, but in the long run I came back to my original strategy, but just in a more refined way. Like if I was to look at market structure, I was not looking at just the market taking out highs and taking out lows. I had to back it up with, if I am to see a break of structure, I would also want to see a candle closing below the entry or closing above the entry in a bullish market. That's how I refined it. When it comes to looking at candlestick patterns, I would want to see a valid candlestick pattern and also trade with it in a key area. So whenever you're looking at your trading strategy, don't just look at it plainly. Please look at the key points that make it so valid that you're going to be executing based on that. That is the whole point of trading. Looking at something, if it's candlesticks, look for the right candlestick pattern. If you're looking at a bullish engulfing, you would want to see a green candle covering the body of the previous candle fully, including its wicks. That is the most valid bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. And if I'm trading with it in a key area, it gives more confirmation. That's how it should be. That's how it should be. Says Mark, good to see ya. I saw someone asking me what's the donations all about. Donations are all about me trading for those who want me to trade for them. So if you want to be part, it is simple. You can use the donation link down in the description and surely be added on the queue. Good to have you, says Mark. Always looked in for the donations. I know, guys, you love it. I mean, feel free to ask any trading question. By just looking at this, it's like buyers are really going to shift this market, because I'm seeing a candle closing above the highs, and we all know if you are looking at a bearish market and you see the market pulls back, takes out the most recent high, you start to shift your buyers from being a bearish market to a bullish market. And we have already seen that market structure shift. So let us watch out and see if buyers are really going to shift these. If you are going to keep this momentum going up. All right, our buys have closed, and it's like buyers are really maintaining this momentum. That's why I told you the moment you see a shift in market structure, you are required to shift your bias immediately, especially if you are on your execution time frame, because most of the times these short trends they be facilitating either pullbacks. They either be facilitating pullbacks or continuations on a higher time frame. So your execution time frame, you should be very, very flexible to shift your mindset the moment you confirm a change in structure, the moment you confirm a candlestick pattern, execute without a hesitation, because trading is all about taking the risk. If you're not willing to take the risk, then you're not willing to be a trader anyways.
In the stereotype. Cause the Lord nigga keep 10%. And the Lord nigga keep 10%. Keep the baby bottles like you ain't diapers. Yeah, the stereotype. Cause the Lord nigga keep 20 rifles. And the Lord nigga keep 20 rifles. And the Lord nigga keep 10 rifles.
Where is it going? To the moon. Ah. Oh, good. You know, when it comes to looking at market structure, you never know that the market is actually going to go up like with 100% certainty. That's why you have to be having these confirmation or confluences you look at. Understanding market structure. A bullish market is series of higher highs and higher lows. So if you're still seeing that on the charts, what you have to do is to anticipate more buyers when taking the market up until they give you a reason not to really anticipate buyers in the market. And that reason is simple: seeing the market pulling back in a bullish market and taking out the most recent low. The moment it takes out the most recent low, you shift your bias to a bearish market. And the same works with a bearish market. If the market pulls back and closes, you see a candle closing above the high, shift your mindset. That's what trading is all about. How can I learn price action trading? You are already on the right, you are already locked in on the trading assembly. All you have to do is ask those trading questions and also be locked in so that if I'm explaining something, you can easily catch on. You can easily catch on because of that. Hattie, good to see you, my dear. I'm doing fine. How are you doing yourself? We like the friends and spend and calling me a bitch again. I'm doing the music, we on the way. Everybody wants me in the kitchen with a dinner plane. Just say, yes, say, yes, say, yes, say, get a best to me. Look, I don't mean to frustrate, but I always make the same mistakes, yeah. Always make the same mistakes, cause I'm bad in love. But you don't blame me for trying. You know I've been lying, saying I could finally face me, looking at my history. This is the trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question, guys. We are here to learn. So that's how we're gonna be doing it. Ask any trading question. My strategy is simple: price action, and all my entries are based on that. I don't mean to frustrate, but always make the same mistakes, yeah. Always make the same mistakes, cause I'm bad. But you can't blame me for trying. You know I've been lying, saying you're the one. That could finally fix me. Looking at my history, I'm bad in love. I'm gonna walk away. It's time to feel and face. It's time to feel and face. I know that you're afraid. I'm gonna walk away. It's time to feel and face. You know I'm bad in love. But you can't blame me for trying. You know I've been lying, saying you're the one. That could finally fix me. Looking at my history. Let us look in this continuation. Oh my goodness. Buyers have taken my sales out here. I'm going to sell again because the market is bearish, and let's see how it goes. One thing I can tell you about trading is trade the chart you're looking at, not what you really want to happen. I don't know if that really makes sense. If I'm looking at market structure, I always tell you, I first confirm I'm in a currently I'm in a bearish market. So if I'm in a bearish market, I'm going to first know where the most recent high and lows are and where the most recent structure break is. If you know those key points and you know the market you're dealing with, it's going to be easier for you to know when to take a continuation, to take a pullback. And you have to always be looking at the chart. Don't assume. Look at the high, look at the low, check where the most recent structure is. Trade that. Don't trade what you really want the market to happen in the market. Honestly, when I was starting out to trade, that is something that gave me a hard time as a beginner, even after being a beginner, because I said after 1 year of trading, you're not a beginner. So you trade that chart you're looking at, not what you want it to happen. What you want it to happen. Put you out there. Mm. Said I catch you if you fall, and if they laugh. So you could take advantage of me. You enter immediately. Hi, when you find a way to harm me, put you out there. Don't ever get lonely. Thinking you could leave without me. Feel free to ask any trading question. What really happened there? What really happened there? Oh my god, I get it. Where indicator do you read? The indicator you see on the chart is Keltina channel, but my entries are not only based on indicators. I use both the indicator and the strategy. So for example, if I see a breakout to the downside of the indicator, I'm going to assume and anticipate sellers kicking in into the market. But since I use price action as my strategy, I'll wait for market structure to shift bearish, or for the market to give me a bearish confirmation, like a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. From there, I'm going to assume sellers are really kicking in. Then I'll look forward to taking sell trades. And the opposite is true if I'm looking at a breakout to the top side. Where are buyers getting all this crazy momentum from? Damn. And you smiled over your shoulder for a minute. Your strategy and myself. I pulled you closer to my chest. Is it over?
I said I already told you. I think that you should get some rest.
I said my word.
You never know. So I played it cool and I was scared to let it go. I know I needed you, but I never showed. I want to stay with you to a better. Say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I'll wake you up with some breakfast in bed. I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head. I'll take the kids to school, wave them goodbye. And I'll thank my lucky stars for that night. When you looked over your shoulder, wanna get it all together, I'm older. I wanna dance with you right now. Oh, and you look beautiful as ever.
Someone is asking me about chart patterns. Surprisingly, guys, when I was still learning how to trade, like I told you, there is that phase as all traders we do, where you want to learn everything, because you know the more you learn complicated things, the more you're going to get this thing. But one thing I've noticed about trading, the more you keep it simple, actually, the easier trading is going to be for you. Try to keep things very much simple. So that time I concluded that I'm done really getting strategies. I should just fully lock in on these charts with whatever I know. It was actually when a friend was trying to teach me the bullish flag, ascending triangles. I really didn't get to. I was like, you know what? I will be using the strategy I know. And I just came back on the charts and I started to be mapping out the highs, the lows, because I realized market structure plays a very big role when it comes to really getting entries and understanding the charts. We all know market structure shows you the turning points in the market. So if you can get those turning points, you can really lock in a few trades or more.
Concrete jungles whisper your name. Every corner tell a story, every shadow got a claim. You survive, you grind, you rise. This is for the kings and queens of the streets. I'll mention you let me off. You made me feel it. I wasn't home.
Feel free to ask any trading question, guys. You're here to learn. Any traders that locked in some crazy moves? Any trader that moved the market today? Share your experience. How was it?
I said I already told you. I think that you should get some rest.
I feel I loved you.
You never know. I know I needed you, but I never showed. I want to stay with you so alone. Say
Won't let go.
just say you won't let go. I'll wake you up with some.
Breakfast in bed.
I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head. I'll take the kids to school, wave them goodbye. I'll thank my lucky stars.
I stick to price action. I got tired of complicating things. I try to keep it so simple. And I just wait for trades that are in line with my strategy. That is it. Someone is talking about that time. If you're really on a time, if you're really on a time frame or a chart that is really moving fast and you find it is really moving fast for you, you can really trade on a chart that you are comfortable with. Like I told you, if you're picking your trading strategy, if you're picking the time frames, you have to pick time frames, strategy, and trading sessions that do not only suit your trading style, but they also suit your personal lifestyle as a trader. You do not have to do everything. You do not have to be trading the same time frame as everyone. You have to be trading what you know you can manage. Same when it comes to taking risk management, you have to be taking risk according to what you can handle and manage as a trader. We all know we have traders that are great risk take, great at taking risk, and they are so comfortable with taking big risk. And if you're not that trader, please don't. Mm-mm. It was really getting close to my entry, to be honest. It was coming for me. Want you to know that if you can say, I'll settle for a person. I'll see more than life. Crash, crash, crash. I can see you already crashing the markets like your name. I can see you really crashing the markets, but that is really nice. You're building discipline because if you can say that if you are approaching a consolidating market, you avoid it. That is discipline because when it comes to trading, you also have to set that discipline that I am not at the phase where I can trade a consolidating market. So if I see it on the charts, I just switch the I can just switch to another trading pair or two to give the chart some time and see if it's going to get out of that consolidation and I get onto the market. That is discipline, and that's how you build discipline. And that it is that discipline that makes you last longer in these markets. Mm-mm-mm-mm. More than life. What now? Of course, in a few, we are gonna get into the donation because why not? So if you're ready for the donations, comment ready because of course we are getting into the. I miss you more than I. Every first to see. I miss you more than life. I miss you more than life. Feel free to ask any trading question, traders. Share with me how you've been moving today in your trading session. Teacher, teach me at your service. But to be honest, get the strategy and keep it simple. Do not complicate your trading strategy because I feel like what actually is more complicated when it comes to trading is trading psychology. And the best way you can overcome your trading psychology and you get better at it is to put in systems or doing things that are going to keep you having discipline in the market. Set those rules, of course try to stick to them because sometimes we do set those rules and we don't stick to them. It's very okay. Yeah, it's not that always you're going to stick to them, but at least if you have them, you know you'll be accountable to them at the end of your trading session. That's one thing I can really tell you. If you agree to be trading at a particular time, show up, be consistent. You don't know how much consistent change being consistent change trading for me. It really changed my game for me so much. It's the best thing you can do as a trader. All right, guys are ready. Guys are ready for the donation. Silas, Alexander, Cedric, Black, Serene, Mr. Smith, Carl. You guys are already locked in. So let's do it. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Shower you with all my intentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Boyfriend. Don't need no mention. It's a blessing. All right, guys, let us first secure our profits for tonight. Then we get into the donations right away. All my intention. These are my only intention. Let us wish luck to all our participants for tonight because why not? Let us wish luck to all our participants for tonight. Yeah, we lock in one attempt for our first participant, Fideler.
Seven days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I take it, dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I take it, enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, get them strictly with that fire.
Fa, fa,
Fire, fire, fire,
fa, fa.
fire. Hey, Roman numerals, 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I take it, dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I take it, enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, get them strictly with that fire. It's a vibe, they a dance, let them watch. He a fan, he a flop, they just wanna kumbaya, nah. This world couldn't be if I was broke. She only knows, you know.
Do you trade according to the strategy or technical analysis? Technical analysis basically means your trading strategy. Yeah, let me hope that answers you. Structure is bearish, so let's see how it goes. Buyers are getting onto something here, guys. ah.
Just so I can change, I'ma make you say now. I'm not even tripping, I will stress you out. I'm not even settled down for you.
Sellers, you better do this, okay? That was really getting on me. Let me see type congratulations to our first participant. Let me see type congratulations to our first participant. Put me on this. Yeah, I want to see you guys type congratulations to Fidera, and you know how we do it, guys. One attempt is fully locked in. Guys, if you ask a question and I don't see it, please ask again. Yeah, you're free to ask again any trading question. You know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant right away. So let's do that. Congratulations to our first participant, Fideler. Fideler. Let's move on to our next. Let's move on to our next. Trading comes with a lot of freedom. No one can control, or no one dictates how much you should start with. But whenever you're trading, you should know trading is very risky. It is always better to trade with money that you're willing to lose. Trading comes with a lot of risk. That is one thing you should always consider. Anything can happen in the market. On to our next, Langford. Langford.
He gon' have to get saved. Riding on fire, she down on fire. I know I went there for you, at least I said I'm sorry. You know what it was, I told you that I was hardest. I'm emotionally scarred, it ain't even your fault. But I listen to the radio, trying to feel it was all.
We have to get 2 attempts for Langford, so let's see how it goes. You know, when it comes to trading, patience is also important. You don't want to be trading any candle you're seeing on the chart. We want to be trading those moves that are really making sense to you, first of all, and the moves that are in line with your strategy. That's something that you can really put in your discipline. Yeah, it is important to have it as a trader that you do not trade candles because you see crazy momentum. You want to see you'd want to see the market giving you confirmations and that are taking your strategy. First attempt is in.
couldn't AP, started like a boat. I was down bad on my dick, what was you niggas at? I know you turned your back on it just to get some rest. I seen you swerve back, cause I'm in the black bank. New diamonds on me, fuck a flash, this ain't Snapchat. Cause I didn't get it paid. Yeah, the diamonds on me look like lemonade. Got my baby mama that new vintage. Tryna get it dojo like a sensei. Rolls Royce umbrellas when I'm in the rain. Structure is still bearish, and we all know if I'm looking at a bearish chart, my bias is going to remain bearish until the market gives me a reason not to take the sell trade and to shift my bias to being a bullish market. But for now, let us cruise because why not? Let us lock in these sales. Okay, let me see type congratulations to Langford. 2 attempts are in. And all I did was just to follow the trend. All I did was just to follow the trend. Thank you for yesterday's win. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Guys, you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away. Oh my god, that's so crazy. But I love that. after real accounts blew up, I understood. Guys, I want to see type more congratulations to our participants. I want to see more congratulations to our participants. Two attempts are fully locked in, and you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away. I'd rather lie than to lose you, girl. I'd rather lie than confuse you, girl. Truth is we love them, they want us gone. Truth is they can't handle me at the top. I'd rather spare you the details, my love. Oh, I'd rather lose you, I'd rather lie than lose you. On to our next participant. Dream talked about after blowing real accounts, you understood. I know that phase. Actually, once you reach that phase where you're done blowing accounts, you are tired of blowing accounts, and you just decide that you want to do the right thing, that's how you're going to realize actually even building market discipline is going to be easier for you. Market psychology is going to be easier for you because at that rate, you're not fighting yourself. You just want to do the right thing and see if it's going to work out for you. You just want to be consistent. You just want to respect what comprises of your strategy. You just want to be waiting for moves instead of chasing the market. Once you reach there is no going back. But of course, to reach there, sometimes you find yourself you are really blown some crazy account. And I saw someone asking, do you get losses? Guys, losses are really part of this game, and losses happen to every trader. All you have to do is simple, is to use risk management so that if you get a loss, your account is not fully wiped out. So that means if I take losses, I remain with a certain percentage of my account, I can easily trade back and I recover and even surpass what my account was already having. Truth is, they can't handle me at the top. I'd rather spare you the details, my love. Oh, I'd rather lie to lose you.
Interesting.
I'd rather lie to lose you. I'd rather lie. I'd rather,
I love, I would like to lose you.
She says to me, I hear everything in her voice. And it's underneath the candle she takes to me. That's when I saw it in her eyes. So then she said, damn, she better on me with. I told her no, she cracked it. Run away. Let me go.
Jerome, good to see ya. Yeah, guys, comment locked in. I need to know how many guys are still locked in for live. Someone comment locked in, locked in, locked in. Oh my goodness, sellers are trying to play me. Oh my god, you're finally taking me out. I'm sorry about that. Sorry about that. Next time better. Very. Next time better. Langford, you're welcome. You're welcome. Nick B locked in. Jude locked in. Sam Brighton, you're so locked in. That's how it should be. That's how it should be, guys. Because if you're not locked in, what are you doing? As long as the markets are still opening, we are locked in for life. So if you're not locked in, $11, what do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? My strategy is price action. And the key things I look out for whenever I'm trading with price action, it is first understanding the market I'm in, understanding the market structure, and to confirm it that if I'm in a bullish market, the market is also confirming that structure of series of higher highs and higher lows. And candlestick patterns, that's what my strategy comprises of. So let's move. Ooh. Someone is asking my age. Guys, guys, where have you seen? ah, ah. ah. And it remain, let us remain fully locked in. Please don't come for my age. Interesting. But you don't trust me, gone. But they still trust you, they still fuck with you. Oh my goodness, what are sellers doing to me here? Crazy momentum. Dang! This is some crazy momentum from sellers. They have taken out my second attempt. I'm sorry about that. Ham, hammed. Sorry about that. Next time better. That was some crazy momentum.
Every lost girl, I know that you're secret. You get your body to me, I body that like a sun. Give and take, you give it to them, they take the shit and burn it, yeah. Different than it was before. People around you want more.
Taken.
Wonder what they in it for. Take your last relationship. Look how good you treated him. You could work like a lawyer. Girl, you never needed him.
But they still need you. They still fuck with you.
Anything you do, everything's for you. Drama is
You guys are crazy. Interesting. Feel free to ask any trading question, and we are here to learn and also share experience as traders. So feel free to share your trading experience. Someone was asking about stop loss and everything. I am trading binary options, and when it comes to binary options, all I have to do is to open my trade, set an expiration time, and you can see my expiration time is 15 seconds. That means anytime I execute a trade, it takes it 15 seconds to either close in a plus or in an L. God is really giving us some clear structure here, guys. I don't know if you can see this. Structure is so clear.
Can you move to the reggae of the blues? Salute, yeah, make us feel no. Be like you that you only tiki like that.
Let me see you type congratulations to our participant. Let me see you type congratulations to our participants. Kingston. And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant right away. Give me that. Sweet. For me. C'est la Vivi, hasta la Vivi, looking pretty. I need to see more congratulations, guys. I need to see more congratulations to our participants. You email her. Can you move? Sanu, I am. Somebody of your is oh that crazy girl. This order sweet for me. Hasta la Vivi, hasta la Vivi, looking pretty. Hasta la Vivi, hasta la Vivi, looking pretty. We just need to lock in 2 attempts for Brima. So guys, let me see you type of, let me see you wish luck to our participant. Just 2 attempts. Yeah. 2 attempts to go for our next. Whenever you're on the charts, you don't forget to continuously analyzing the market. But the easiest way, guys, honestly, this if you apply this in your trading, mapping out the most recent high, the most recent low on the charts, and knowing the market you're dealing with, and you map out the most recent structure break. If you can get those key points, it's going to be easier for you to really anticipate where the market is most likely to head. We all know the market is always moving either to take out a high or to take out a low. So if you already have those key points mapped out for you, the next step is going to be for you to look for candlestick patterns that are confirming if the market is getting into a continuation or a reversal. We all know candlestick patterns are the first signals you can take as a trader to know if the market is getting into a continuation or a reversal. Yeah, right for you. Oh my beautiful gods, our first attempt is in. In December was the hottest winter. The love they enter, that's why I surrender. Okay, the moment I see 2 candles closing above my buys, I just be knowing my trade is most likely to close in a plus. Let me see type congratulations to our participant. 2 attempts are in. I need to see more congratulations. I'll be your present like I was once before. Singing why, mommy, why, mommy, why, mommy, why? Do you remember the rain? 'Cause I remember the rain. Actually, na 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 na, right na 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 na. Do you remember the rain? 'Cause I remember the rain. Everything goes to the participant right away, so let's do that.
2 inches to the left, nephew. All right, hold on. That's it, guys. We need to get it back in out here.
Thank you, 11. Thank you, success. Guys, feel free to ask any trading question. 11, you just want to scare me. I don't know why you guys keep on saying that. You're making me think my place is haunted because I'm only playing one song. That's how it's supposed to be. Young and wild and free.
So what? I keep it rolled up, sagging my business like Aaron when I show. Keep it real, but my niggas keep it clear for these hoes. And the clean, don't it wash it the other day. Watch how you lean on it. You get some Falcon with jeans on it. Roll joints bigger than King Kong's fingers. And smoke them hoes down to their stingers. You a class clown, and if I skip for the deal with your bitch smoking gray. It's like a 1718 peach fuzz on my face. Looking on the case, trying to find another taste. Oh my god, I'm on the chase. Chevy is getting kind of heavy.
You guys are scaring me for nothing. Let us lock in these moves. So we smoke weed. We just having fun. We don't care who's seen. That's how it's supposed to be.
And I don't even care, cause if me and my team there's gonna be some weed in the air. Tell them Mac, blowing everywhere we going, and now you know it when I step right up. Get my lighter so I can light up. That's how it should be done. Soon as you're thinking you're down, find how to turn things around. Now things are looking up. From the ground up, pound up this Taylor game. So turn my sound up, mount up, and do my thing. Now I'm chilling, fresh out of class, feeling.
The best time to change a pair, it is when, if you are in a pair and it doesn't move in a way that makes sense to you, change. Change that is when I'm going to consider. It's not a specific time that this is now the time I should change a pair. At the moment I'm looking at the chart and it's not really moving well, I shift to a pair that is moving and making sense to me.
Yeah, smoke one. When you live like this, you're supposed to party. Roll one, smoke one.
Guys, you're starting to scare me. What do you mean? When you live like this, you're supposed to party.
And we all just having fun. So up and get drunk. So up and smoke weed. We're just having fun. And we don't care who's seen. So up we go out.
That's how it's supposed to be. Yeah, young and wild and free. We are young and wild and free. Locked in harder, as we should always be. Let us lock in these cells. You're talking about locked in harder, and it just reminded me how today I was talking to someone and we're getting motivation words and they're like, go hard or go home. That is the motivation they gave me today. You either go hard or go home.
Fuck me, then fuck you, and that's the way I like it. And that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. I'm ready to tell you, ready to tell you, ready to tell you, ready to tell you.
Guys, let us not risk this further. I asked for 5K, but we can withdraw this to avoid a loss because we are really close. Let us not risk harder. Let's go with this. So let me see, type congratulations to our participants. Let me see, type congratulations to our participants. Let me see, type congratulations to our participants.
Everything been no take. They salute me so damn much every time I show up, nigga, her about face. Everything no cut, I fuck y'all up, I'm really gonna trip about face. Gotta hit me 7 guts, but they bring no nuts, tell them I'm you fucking with niggas that thinking they cuter than you. So you on your cycle, but he on this period too. The tables been turning so much, I was thinking it's food. The tenderness of them mistaken them for some white food. Talk like kitty, like mouse, like salami. I promise, more buzz, there's a loss, there's a crater, or a spaceship.
Let's move on to our next. If you want to be part of the participants, it is simple. There is a donation link down in the description. You can use that. You can use that. Interesting. If you want to learn, it is simple. There's Amore is here at 8 p.m. UK time, so be sure to mark your attendance on time. We learn, because this is the reason of this trading assembly. It is to lock in and learn. I'll be sharing my strategy in details as I'm also looking at the charts. I also have videos on this channel talking about the same strategy. Just lock in on this channel and just our first attempt is fully locked in. 3 more to go for us. Arch. All right, movement in our direction. This is a continuation move, so all continuation traders, let us lock in these buys. I just wanna be one of your girls tonight. Okay, guys, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations to our participants. 4 attempts are fully done, locked in. Let me see you type congrats. The best girl of the year. No, the best girl trader. Because we are locked in. I just wanna be one of your girls tonight. I just wanna be one of your girls tonight. You know how we do it, everything goes to the participant right away. I just wanna be one of your girls tonight. Oh my god. Damn, buyers are really coming after my entry. Oh my god. Let us refund and try again. Let us refund and try again. Now we are going to sell this market again. So all continuation traders, this entry is for you. Because I'm just trying to get in line with the trend. Okay, let me see type congratulations. Let me see type congratulations. We have finally did it, and the continuation was so valid. The market is still going down, down, down. Come on, like a starboard. I need to see more congratulations, guys. But we are gonna stop on this participant. We are gonna stop on Luminaire, and we'll pick up from there tomorrow, same time, 8 p.m. UK time. The platform I'm using is Pocket Options, and there's a link down in the description for it. I do have a Signal group, and if you want to be part of it, it is simple. Create an account with my link. Share with me proof via Telegram and I'll surely add you to the Signal group. Mm. I do have a Telegram channel. If you want to join, there's a link down in the description. And you surely be part of a community of traders from all over the world, because you guys know we are locked in from all over the world. I love you so much. Good night. Bye. So many wins today. To be honest, today has really worked out well for us. So congratulations to all our participants for tonight. Congratulations to all our participants for tonight. And next time better for all those didn't go well. But today we have really locked in some crazy. Today we have really locked in those moves. Nolan, good to see ya. Dream always locked in. 11 always locked in. Emmanuel always locked in. Guys, you're always locked in. So tomorrow same time, 8 p.m. UK time, be here and join the trading assembly. Bye. Much love, much love, much love.